There was a house full of musical cats who lived without a care in the world until a knock on the door changed it all forevermore. How will they ever take care of this little girl? Timmy the young one wants her to stay. He's so sure she'll be a cat one day. Look at King Tommy sitting on his throne, pretending that he knows just what's going on. Thoughts so cool and as sharp as a tack. She's nobody's fool, you better watch your back. While the nice looks on, playing a song, steering things right when it seems like they're going so wrong. And then the cat, and all she wants to be is a cat. As if there'd ever be anything she wanted be more than that. And even though the cat is living with a house full of cats, Kitty is not a cat.
While many aspects of human behavior confused the cats, one in particular had them scratching their heads. For the 9 lives of them, they could not understand why humans would do such a thing.
Would you look at that? All those humans moving together, doing exactly the same thing at the same time. That is well square. Quite literally well square.
What is it with humans and standing behind each other?
I think they prefer looking at the back of each other's heads rather than the front. Sheesh, and I think I can see why.
What is it with humans driving in the same direction on the same side of the street? We have a whole road to use, people! Not that I'm complaining, Ming, but why have we stopped? Green light!
You know, I'm kind of pleased we can't see where we're going.
Enough talking! Red light! Step on it!
So while the cats, being cats, did whatever they wanted, whenever they wanted, they nonetheless had a system that seemed to work, and Kitty was getting very used to it.
Tight as.
Breakfast.
Quick breaking! Last one to market!
No, it's mine!
Nurse, my outstanding skills as a surgeon have resulted in a queue of patients that stretches around the block. How can I cope when the only person I want to see is here in this room?
Doctor, I think he might...
I'm not talking about him, Nurse Deborah. It's you I'm talking about.
In tonight's news, people queued for hours to buy tickets to the hit musical Dogs.
Reports of long lines at the airport.
And the students form an orderly line as they file into class.
What is it with humans standing behind each other for absolutely everything? I don't understand. Can we go back to General Romantic Hospital?
Sorry, Spook. House meeting! It has come to my attention that humans, unlike cats, like to move as a herd. Humans place such importance on standing in lines that they teach it at school. No one can quite explain why they do this, but truth be told, it is all these simple creatures can manage in later life. Over the years, humans did in fact attempt to move in other shapes, such as triangles, circles, and rectangles, all to no avail. Fortunately, humans are prepared to follow this procedure over and over again. But as with most things humans do, they like to complain that they don't enjoy doing it. Although that said, they jealously guard their position in the line and become extremely agitated if someone takes over the spot. We cats, being more sophisticated than humans, have no need of lines or cues. However, Kitty, who is not a cat, does, and it behooves us to teach her how to stand in a queue. Right, elementary queuing 101. Let's start with a simple, evenly spaced line. This can be achieved by reaching out and touching the shoulder of the cat next to you. On my command. Hey, watch out.
Hey!
Ouch! Forming a line really hurts.
Yes. Let's try a safer approach. Okay, everyone form a line behind Kitty. Facing the same direction. Again. Again. Well, at least it's straight.
Lunch is served.
Kitty! Phew.
Come on, everyone.
Oh, come on.
Hey, what are you playing at? Form a lunch line, everyone. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Ha, my whistle. Hello. Need to use the stairs? Please form an orderly queue to one side so those going up can allow for those coming down. Now, I know you all desperate to watch TV, but you will need to form a queue behind Kitty to gain entry to the lounge room. Need to use the kitchen?
Coming through!
Right, in the interest of everyone's
I've got the popcorn.
safety, please.
I've got the hot chocolate.
Form an orderly
Right behind you, Timmy Tom.
line
Whoops, forgot the salt.
behind Kitty.
Despite his lack of success, King Tubby remained determined to teach the cats how to form an orderly line. As usual, his intentions were good, but the outcome was less so.
Table tennis. Form a queue.
What?
Relaxation time. Form a queue.
This is ridiculous.
Complaints? Yes, please form a queue.
Oh, come on.
Another cue. I'm beginning to think that having all these lines is getting out of line. Hey! What's holding us up?
Naz, please get in line. You need to respect the queue.
Yeah, sure. Once I found out what I'm actually queuing for and why it's taking so long. What do you know? This is a queue to nowhere.
Nowhere?
Yeah?
There is no beginning and no end. It's a circle.
What are we gonna do?
Only one thing we can do. Use a line to put an end to lines. Once and for all. Ginsberg, give me a beat.
Naz, what are you doing? The line!
Pedal, a little cowbell.
Everybody, you must respect the cue!
Ming, some guitar. Pierre,
I got this one.
Please! Please, we need to have a straight line!
take it away, kitty. You know, KT, the only line you're gonna get these cats to be a part of is a conga line. And that's never gonna be straight. Yep, kitty. I think he might just be getting it.
Yes, you know what? I think I am!
Come on, Tubby!
Get in line!
As Kitty and the cats showed King Tubby just how much fun you could have being in a line, they all hoped he had learned a lesson and would never try and herd cats again. Because, as we all know, you never can.